I never saw ice cream so thick and chewy like this. This is insane. The texture is different than Cold Stone or Bacio de Latte. Right, it looks vacuum sealed. It's actually not. You can't see it exactly, but it's actually full of some air. Not super puffed up. It's just gentle. This is extremely toxic. It's not normal. It should not be like this. I am absolutely not gonna open this, not gonna touch it. I'm just gonna set it back in the box. I'm gonna toss the whole thing, take my loss on it. You cannot be too safe in a third world country or even your own first world country. Any of you people in the US, for example, or any other first world country. Okay, so I know it's a random jump from last time. We're gonna head out and go return the things we need to return and go to the ice cream place. Where is that? Oh, there it is. There's always planes flying over us. We just got out of the safari. On the way here, people are so crazy driving in the south that we almost got into a car accident so quickly, like almost every time we go out. Tropino. It's in a very suspicious neighborhood. You can see looking around here. Kind of suspicious.
Yeah, there's favelas there, right?
Yeah. Wait, there we go. Yeah. Let's not go that way. Let's not go that way. Just randomly the best place. Sobremesas artesanais. Yeah, very strange. Just randomly here out in the middle of nowhere. The size, I never saw ice cream so thick and chewy like this. This is insane. The texture is different than Cold Stone or Bacio de Latte. Completely crazy. This is definitely different texture. It's so crazy. See what kind this is. That's so different. We're back home now. Randomly started deciding to rain. Smells this is like a weird smell to us. Yeah, they just completely blocked the road, by the way. People have money over there. And this is like the poor street. Yeah, Favelaville. I recorded everything about taking out the trash. I'm not gonna walk literally half a mile to go take out trash all the way up a hill, by the way, as well, paying this much for a place. There was a place nearby. I went to go take it randomly. Like, these people watch you, like they're watching you all the time. The guy comes out and starts going whistling at us like, hey, you should trash there. A guy who has there, he's really crazy. He can come like basically start hitting you. I'm like, bro, I'm just in shock. And he's like, oh, he's probably fine to leave it there for now, but I wouldn't do that again. The person in there maybe wants us to take it out every day walking up that far. Before I show you this, you cannot even call these bastards. They are closed. They do not open until 1 and they stay open for 3 hours. They're always having holidays. Like yesterday was DJ day and they start blasting our DJs off. Every time there's a holiday, it smells so dang horrible in the apartment. Like for Women's Day, the day before yesterday, it started just smelling horrible. Anytime there's a holiday, it's a weekend, especially Sunday, it starts smelling horrible because you can tell Brazilians start getting crazy in the head, start wanting to party and celebrate their time off, cooking their spoiled food.
Do you hear kids also crying?
More than any time on Women's Day, I heard kids being beaten by their mothers. You think this isn't normal? Get your ass down to Brazil and go see. I'm so tired of people acting like you're wrong. You don't know what you're talking about. I'm recording this, editing it, and I'm spending my time on this because I want people to see the reality. They don't take care of their buildings here. Sing. It's a guard. Last year, my birthday was messed up in a horrible place. People didn't care. Picking my asthma and horrible breathing problems, running a bunch of vehicles, putting a bunch of pollution everywhere in a closed area. These people are psychopathic. This will be my 3rd birthday in Brazil. Every single one has been miserable so far. This one will probably be miserable too. I'm going to try to head north for a little bit before we get out of the country because I know I'm going to have issues in Europe. I see their cocksuckers too over there. It's not even something I want to deal with for my birthday. I just want to try to have some peaceful, normal time. It's something I deserve because this has been a constant fight of just pure hell here. I'm going to go book a flight as soon as possible to Fortaleza and get the hell out of here. I cannot handle these people anymore. She's like, just make a complaint. It's not going to give me my money back. It's not going to give me my time back. Only thing I can do now is like go and sue them, right? She's like, yeah. Literally, she said like that, by the way. She didn't say yeah. She's like, yeah. And I'm like, okay. Cannot wait until things are automated. All the other packages, 8 more are gonna come here. They're gonna get rejected and sent back. Why am I ordering online? Don't just go to a Walmart here, right? Oh, they don't have Walmart. They don't have anything. It's freaking Brazil. They don't have crap here. People are so used to America and first world countries. They don't have crap here. They have Kai4. You can't get crap here as nice. And even so, for the money you spend, it's cheaper online usually and better quality for what you're buying, especially when you buy from China. If I need some basic thing, an emergency here, I'm just gonna go to a store and directly pick it up myself, spending more money to get something cheaper and less valuable. I'm losing my mind. Being in this part of Brazil, this state, people threatening me basically for putting trash in a place. When I came back here from Uber, I was like, be careful. You don't know if someone's waiting for us or can start like shooting us. Hey, it's me from the future. These issues have not been like this in any other state before. Just Rio Grande do Sul, bottom state of Brazil, big southern river. What happened then when I was finishing talking with the woman in Correios, when I was talking about the South and how these issues have not been like this in any other state before, saying that this ridiculous thing, why are things so difficult down here? They didn't do this with other people waiting in line. They just did it with me. I think it's a woman. She was like, several times. I was about to look at them and speak in Portuguese, just saying like, yo, I'm talking here. But I have a feeling they could have maybe tried to literally punch me or start attacking me physically because these people are like that here. So I just carried on with the woman and finished that up because she was also starting to act weird and like, oh, I got other people to talk to. I'm just like, really? I was like, okay. I understand. Bye. That's something I completely forgot about. These were just random customers, by the way, who walked in, guy and girl. And they did their thing, and they walked out while I was talking outside. They just didn't even care. They looked like they had a bunch of money and douchebags just talking to each other and walked off. I bet you they're going to cheat on each other and break up because that happens with over 50% of couples from what I saw in Brazil. No, that happens more than that. 50% of couples save money for cheating, for splitting it with their partner. Imagine how many people actually cheat. These are statistics that came out. These people, they are something else here. You're just having a bad day. Like saying, I'm losing 3,000 reals here, and they're just like, come on, get out of my way. I'm like, what is your problem? These people in Brazil down here, I cannot. So that's about it. You can watch the next video if it's already up. This weird thing is probably far away even from now on, like in the future, but I rambled on enough. Thank you so much for being here and for any support. It's really difficult, especially when you don't have family much. Your support is really helpful. Kind of replace not having a family so much with the support element and aspect. So thank you. And I'll see you in the next video.